This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Steloj. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called Steloj may be easily injected into the computer. And it is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Steloj extension to the file names, so it's impossible to use the files. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note. It says that the files are encrypted and that the ransom needs to be paid for file decryption. But I urge you not to pay the ransom. Do not pay the ransom. Do not waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. Or you may use any other software, but I know that Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware effectively. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, so do not skip this very important step. The update procedure. Then the scanning will begin. Also, let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files, unfortunately. But Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate this horrible ransomware. Just wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium. With premium license, you'll be able to effectively remove this particular ransomware and any other ransomware or malware, and also Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to protect your data.